Hello everyone, welcome to Educo Career. We are again here with free online courses. Hope you will definitely like it, the content which we are providing. Enhance your skills and showcase your resume. Without delaying, let's get started. You can see here the first course is Photoshop for beginners, basics of editing and effects. Many students already enrolled here. It is totally for free. 100% off, but only one day is left. If you want to enroll this course, what you need to do? Just scroll down and enter the coupon. Before going to entering, see the things which you are going to learn in this course. Finally, go and enter the coupon and enroll this course for free. The next course is Python programming for beginners, and you can see here it is also for free. Actually it costs 12,800 rupees but 100% off. Just scroll down and enter the coupon which they provided. Okay, coupon providing is mandatory for all free courses, so you need to apply the coupon. And you can see the learning thing also here, and I want to show course content also. You can see course content also here. Finally apply the coupon and enroll the course. Another course is Excel for beginners, and you can see here rating 4.5. It is very good and totally for free. To know more details, just scroll down and see here. But they are not going to provide any certification of completion. I can say that learning skills are more important than getting certifications. To enhance your skills, enroll it. The last course is AutoCAD. Just open the browser and search Infotech Civil. Finally select the first link and the interface will be look like, and just scroll down and see the things here. All level 1 courses are free and level 2 courses are paid courses. Even level 3 courses also paid courses. To know more course details, just scroll down. See here project consulting and support paid course. AutoCAD 1 for beginners, it is totally for free. And see many courses are below here. Civil 3D for beginners level 1 also free course, and all are looking like paid courses, but we need to open free courses, right? So just click here. So free AutoCAD online course for student beginners. Even I have done my course here and I got my certification also. I learned many things here. Now I am going to show the certificate actually how it looks like, and you can see here the certificate. Wow, it's looking very good. And another thing I just want to tell is we can download offline books also here and we can read them. Before going to start this course, we have to create an account. So let's start creating an account. Click here and wait for it. Yeah, create a new account. So first name, last name. Be alert here. Whatever the name you are going to enter, the same name will be appear on your certification. So be careful. Enter your email, password, country, state, and click here. Finally sign up and you can access free AutoCAD course now. You can find all the links in the description box. Thank you for watching. If you want more courses, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon so that you will get quick notifications. Join our WhatsApp group for more information. You can find the link in the description box.